In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error code 0x80040154 in Google Chrome. This error usually points to a component issue inside the browser, and the most reliable way to resolve it is to update Chrome, clear out problematic data, adjust a key performance setting, and reset Chrome's configuration if needed. I'll walk you through each action clearly so you can follow along and get back to browsing without interruptions. Start by opening Google Chrome and clicking the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, open Settings. We'll first make sure Chrome itself is up to date. In the left sidebar, click About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and download them if available. Let it finish, and if you see a relaunch button, go ahead and click it to apply the update before continuing. Next, we'll clear data that may be causing conflicts. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog that opens, select a time range that covers when the problem began. Choosing all time gives you the most thorough reset of cached content. Make sure cached images and files is selected. If the error persists on specific sites, also include cookies and other site data. Understanding this will sign you out of most sites. Click Clear Data and wait for it to complete. Now let's adjust a performance setting that can sometimes trigger display or component errors. In the left sidebar, click System. Find the option Use Hardware Acceleration when available and turn it off. If Chrome asks to relaunch, accept and let the browser restart so the change takes effect. If the error still appears, we'll reset Chrome's configuration to defaults while keeping your personal information safe. In the left sidebar, click Reset Settings. Then choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. Review the prompt so you know what will change. Your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs will reset. Extensions will be disabled and temporary data like cookies may be cleared. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be deleted. Click Reset Settings to confirm. With everything updated, cleaned up, and reset, go back to the tab that showed the error and refresh it. If you had a specific page open when the error occurred, reload that page or re-enter its address. In most cases, these steps resolve error code 0x80040154 and restore stable browsing. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helped you get Chrome working smoothly again.